How are you all today? Good. We are learning about paint. Paint with Tux. Yes, in our last class we did an introduction to Tux Paint. Now let's see what new things we are going to learn about Tux. Our learning objectives for today are to name the different Tux Paint tools, to choose the correct tool to draw shapes, add stamps, add text, and erase an area of a picture. Number 3, to follow the steps to use shapes, stamp, text, and eraser tool independently. So these are our 3 learning objectives which we are going to study today. Before we start our new topic today, let's do a recall. What did we study in our last class? Now, as you can see, we have a Tux Paint window in front of us. Yes? On this window, what do we have? We have toolbar. In this toolbar, we have paint, stamp, lines, and many tools we have here. Yes? On the left side of the Tux Paint window. Then we have selector. Selector, we have sizes of brushes. Okay? Then colors, and then we have our drawing canvas. Drawing canvas is our drawing area where we will draw. So this is our Tux Paint window with all its tools. Okay, next, what did we study the last class is paint tool. What did paint tool do? It help you to draw freehand. So how you will draw it? You will select the paint tool and then you will select the size of the brush, which size brush you need, and then if you need to go up and down, just click on this arrow and then select the color and just drag your mouse. Yes. Then lines tool, we can use the lines tool to draw patterned lines. As I told you last class, select your lines and then you will select a brush. When you will select a brush, it will be in patterned lines with arrows. Okay, if you don't need a patterned line, only a straight line, you will just click on line, choose your color and draw a line. These 2 tools we studied in our last class. Today we are going to study about shapes tool. Use this tool to draw the different shapes given on the selector box. You can choose a blank shape or a filled shape. Now, as you can see in this window, I have some filled shapes and I have some empty shapes, okay, blank shapes. Now, how are we going to do this? Select the shapes tool from the toolbar. Select a shape from the selector. Which shape you want? You want filled or you want empty? Select a color which color you want your shape to be and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Let me show you this in my Tux Paint window. Okay, now let us see. Where is shapes? I'll click on this shapes. Now when I'll click on this shapes, on the right side you can see the heading comes shapes and I have many shapes. Empty stamp, filled stamp, ellipse, empty and filled, triangle, both. See, you can see all I have 2. When I go down, when I come up, you can see I have shapes. I have more when I scroll down. Okay, so let me show you one example. Shapes, we have already clicked. Which shape? Now let me do this triangle and I have clicked on filled triangle. Let me choose the color I need, red. Just bring your mouse in the center of the drawing canvas, press the mouse button and drag it. Halas, leave it. See, it is asking how you want to be. Just if you want straight, just click it. Okay, let me show you empty now, blank. Click on this. Okay, let me show you a star, empty star, but I'll choose different color. Okay, then pentagon. Okay, class. This is the way we will make shapes. If I go up, circle, let me choose filled circle, rectangle, which color? So this is the way we will draw our shapes. Again, I will tell you, Select the shapes from the toolbar. On the right side, different shapes will come. One is with the filled one and one is empty shapes. Okay, select what shape you want, empty or filled shape, and then select the color from it, and then in the center of the drawing canvas, press the mouse button and drag your mouse to make the shape. Okay, this is the way we will draw our shapes. Is this clear? Okay, let us go back to our PowerPoint now. So we are clear with this. Next, we studied about shapes tool. Now, stamp tool. What is stamp tool now? The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. You can get this tool to paste the same picture again and again. And this, we have the picture of a penguin only in our Tux Paint. How we are going to click our, put our stamp? Select the stamp tool from the toolbar. Then you will see stamps will come on the selector. Pick the picture to stamp. Click on the canvas on the different areas to stamp it. Okay, let me show you this in my Tux Paint now. Now, I'm done with this. I want to get a new screen. How am I going to get? Click on new. You can choose different color, but right now I want only white screen. Okay. Save your picture first? No. Now, what tool are we studying now? Stamp. On the toolbar, click on stamp. When I'll click on stamp, you can see on the right side in my selector, I have stamps. Now, choose the stamp I need. See? Just click. See? Stamps. Now, when I click over here, now, you can see, first click on this, you can see the penguin is on its left. When I click on this and I'll come and click on it, it will come on the right. Okay, then we can also increase the size of it, and we can also make it small from here. See, small, big. See, this is the way we will put our stamps. Let me show you again. New, open. Now, how am I going to get it? Click on stamp. On the right side, I have stamp. Right now, my size is very big. Now, choose a style of the stamp. What's you want? Then this is this way. I want the other way down. Click on it. Increase the size. Okay, this way we will put our stamp. Clear? Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint now. So we studied about shapes tool and stamp tool. What is next? Text tool. Use this tool to add text to your drawings. As you can see in my window, I have written I love Tux Paint. How I'm going to add text? Select the text tool from the toolbar. Choose a font. Choose a font. Choose the font letter. Choose your color. And click on the screen to type. Let me show you now. Now I'm done. Click on new, empty. Now I want to add text. Look for the text tool. Text, ABC, text. Click on this. You can see the mouse has come here. I will choose the font. What I need the font. I have up arrow here and down. If I click on this, you can see it's becoming small. The size is becoming small. Okay, choose your font size and your style. What you want. Let me click on this. Choose the color then. I need in blue. Let me type now. I love Tux Paint. Okay, I'm done. It has gone down because I have clicked there. See, wherever I will click, it will come there now. Choose the colors. You can see. Change the style of the handwriting. Come down if you want small. Okay, this way we will add our text. Again, text tool from here, choose the letters and then start typing after choosing the color. In this way we will add text. Clear? So we studied about stamp, we studied about shapes, and we studied about text. Let's go back to our PowerPoint now. Eraser tool. To erase a shape or text from the canvas, use the eraser tool. As you can see in this window, part of the flower is erased. How we will do that? Select the eraser tool from the toolbar. Then select a shape of eraser, what shape and what size of the eraser you want, and drag the mouse to erase. Let me show you this in my Tux Paint now. For example, I want to erase this now. Look for eraser on the toolbar. Eraser is here. Okay, next. You can see erasers over here. Big, see the square. You can see the size of the square. Yes? I'm just showing you different sizes. Then we have circle. See, it is rubbing in circle. When I'll click on this, it will erase in square. Can you see? These are the sizes and shapes. What shape you want to be erased. When I'll click on circle, done. This is eraser. This is how we will erase our part or shapes of our text in Paint. Clear? So, let's go back to our PowerPoint now. So class, what did we study today? Which tools did we learn today? Yes, you are right, class. We studied about shape tools, we studied about stamp tool, text tool, eraser tool. Very good. Let's see, did we achieve our learning objectives today? Name different Tux Paint tools. Yes. Did we learn how to choose correct tools to draw shapes, stamps, text, and erase any area of a picture? Yes. Did we follow the steps to use the shape, stamp, text, eraser tool independently? Yes. Now class, go to online assignment in Classera and answer the questions on same topic. Okay, but class, I want you to take out 5 minutes to make a picture, to draw, to try these things in Tux Paint. I know you will understand while watching the video, but the more you will practice, the more clear idea you will get in your mind. When you will practice by drawing yourself, by making yourself in Tux Paint, you will get a clear picture that what Miss Samiha is trying to say. Okay, and then also if you have any questions in your mind, please ask me. I'm always there to help you out, class. Okay, thank you so much.